Hello, my name is Nicole, and today we will be taking a look at two problems that involve the cosine law and trigonometry ratios. So let's get started. The cosine law is used when the sine law is no longer applicable and you have no side angle pair. It is a variation of the Pythagorean theorem. The formula for the cosine law is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. The problem we will be taking a look at today requires the use of the cosine law to properly solve it. From the grade 10 Nelson Math textbook, page 443, question 7, an ice cream company is designing waffle cones to use for serving frozen yogurt. The cross-section of the design has a bottom angle of 36 degrees. The sides of the cone are 17 centimeters long. Determine the diameter of the top of the cone. We are trying to find the diameter of the ice cream cone, and to do that, we need to find the missing side of the triangle. From the diagram, we are given two sides of the ice cream cone, being 17 centimeters, and their contained angle, which is 36 degrees. The unknown we are trying to solve for is the diameter, being the third line of the triangle. We would use the cosine law here because we know the value of two sides and their contained angle, from which we can figure out the third side. I am going to label each side of the diagram A, B, and C to easily correspond with the basic cosine formula. So input all the known variables into the formula. C squared equals 17 squared plus 17 squared minus 2 times 17 times 17 times cos 36. Using a scientific calculator, I'll solve the equation. Be sure your calculator is set to second function, otherwise you'll get the wrong answer. So c squared equals 289 plus 289 minus 578 cos 36. C squared equals 578 minus 578 cos 36. Then we'll solve for cos 36, which gives us c squared equals 578 minus 578 times 0.8090. 578 minus 467 equals 110.398, and then we'll get the square root of that, so c equals 10.5, meaning the diameter of the ice cream cone is 10.5 centimeters. Next, we will cover trigonometric ratios. You use trig ratios when you need to solve for unknown variables in a right-angle triangle, such as a side length or unknown angle. Trigonometric ratios are the ratio of the side lengths to the right angle in a triangle. Based on the Pythagorean theorem, the three basic trigonometric ratios are as follows. Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent equals opposite over adjacent. The next problem we will be looking at requires these ratios to find its solution. Question 15 on page 417. Calculate the length of AB using the information provided. Show all your steps. We are trying to find the length of AB, but to do that, we need to find the lengths of BD and AD. It is a multiple step equation. First, we will find the length of BD. To do this, we will apply our given numbers into one of the ratios. I am going to use the tangent formula because we have to solve for the side opposite to the known angle, which is 20 degrees. And we are given the adjacent angle, therefore the tangent formula applies here. So tan 20 equals BD over 100. So we're going to isolate for BD, which will give us 100 tan 20 equals BD. Therefore, BD equals 36.39. Second, we will solve for length AD. I'm going to use the tangent formula again, because they are similar triangles. This time, however, the known angle is 40. So solve for AD. Tan 40 equals AD over 100. So I'm going to isolate for AD, which will give me 100 tan 40 equals AD. Input that into your calculator, and AD equals 83.91. Lastly, we subtract AD from BD to give us the length of AB. 83.91 minus 36.39 equals 47.52, meaning the length of AB is 47.52. Thanks for watching!